I'm building a tiny teardrop camper from scratch, the Wander Tears Vaga. The goal is to get this rig ready for our family adventures in 2026. Alright, well, we had a bit of an issue. Me and Alex were working on the hatch, getting this top or the interior skin on and putting the trim on. We had it on a bench like this and we were outside, and it kept getting further and further this way and we didn't notice it, and then it just slipped off the bench and fell to the ground. So first thing I saw was like, just Alex, get your hands away, let it fall, don't save it, it's gonna cut yourself. And it really didn't have too much damage. I have some stuff right here. This dented in pretty far, and I was just trying to get it back out with a hammer kind of thing, but it's still pretty dented, so I'm gonna order another piece of this to fix that. And then the other thing that happened was this side got saved, but the clamp did come off and get that little piece there. I'm totally okay with it. I'm just glad that we're safe. I don't mind fixing things, and it'll be a story to tell. That little reminder right there. But the hatch overall is done otherwise. I'm going to finish this part up here in the same color as what the rest of the camper is, and then along the inside trim right here I'll paint this all black. The last part for this, which we're not going to do for a while yet, is all of us are going to help get this hatch there. All right, it's time. Me and Alex are gonna try to get the hatch on. I'm gonna line up that edge, and you're gonna see if you can stand on the stool about here. You can get it? You just tell me if you need to set it down, okay? All right, circle that way. Come over to the step stool. Now do you need to step up on the stool?
No.
Alright. Okay, we're in. Go up a little bit higher. Step up on the stool. How is that supposed to go that high? Oh gosh. Okay, I got this part. I want you to guide you can use this step stool to go on the side. To see how high we have to go?
Yeah.
So I just want you to guide it and tell me if it's go higher or lower.
Higher.
Okay. Can we slide in? Is it in line pretty good?
Yeah.
There we go. I'm just kind of wiggling it in like 360. All right, now I'm gonna need the step stool. Okay. Oh, that's better. Woo! My arms.
I went like this.
There you go. That works, yeah. We're getting it though. We're a third of the way there. Here we go. Keep going. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. We're halfway in. Yeah, there you go. Do that again. Yeah. Woo!
It's going in. I found the secret.
What is it?
You gotta push up and like northeast.
Okay. Okay, let's keep pushing. My arm is like ready to fall off. Oh man, we're so close. How's my hair look? Oh my goodness. We have like an inch to go. If all else fails, get a bigger hammer.
Hammer time.
All right, okay, bring it down.
So it closes?
Yeah.
Yay!
That was intense. And my hair is probably beautiful. Oh my goodness, Alex. Good job. It's been sitting on that bench for so long. All right, well, we got the hatch on and it's back in the garage, propped up by an 8-foot 2x4. Yeah, some lessons learned. We got it on, but we had some trouble with the last few inches, so I had to use a mallet to really get that on, so I need to fix that. I think the hatch is too far forward by like 1/4 of an inch. So I want to move the whole I'm not taking the hatch off, but I want to move the whole hatch forward or backward 1/4 of an inch. So to do that, I'm going to leave one screw in here in this corner, take those off, bring that forward 1/4 of an inch, and then put that screw in, and then redo these screws. And then also, I'm going to end up bringing this, like notching this out so that I can run the wire down into here. I've been messing with this to get this a little bit closer and more sealed in. This side's pretty nice. And then overnight, this has settled down pretty good, but this side still has some gap issues. But it has settled, and if I lean on it, I can get this nice and tight. So I think what I'm gonna do actually is make a gap and extend this piece of the trim out a little bit, just to make sure that this seals. But before we do that, I can do that later. I'm gonna put these gas struts on, and the really, really cool thing, I got my temp tags. Yeah. May 11th is my scheduled date with the State Patrol to get the VIN inspection done. So I've got a month and a half to finish it. I got plenty of time. Yeah, the more people the better for the hatch for sure. We still had a time, but we got it. All right, got the hatch gas struts on. They work. I got them a little bit heavier because I have the 063 aluminum, so I think these are 100-pound ones. It is a little bit tough to close, especially when you have a camera in hand. The hatch is on. That's absolutely awesome. Yep. That's the hatch. Wow. Definitely getting to the end of the project with just my mentality with everything. I'm ready for it to be done. Some things aren't going exactly perfect, but I think it'll be good in the long run. And I do have an extra sheet of aluminum. I might keep it. I don't know if I want to remake the hatch at any time. Only one more thing really to do, and that's to finish up the entire electrical box. The battery, the fuse block, the rest of the wiring from there, the underbody wiring, the trailer brakes, and then we'll be able to take it for its first run.